One of the problems that Ford six-cylinder Barra engines have is the crankshaft sprocket. The crankshaft sprocket drives the camshafts. There's two camshafts in these engines, obviously. And what happens is that the load on a fairly small sprocket like that with a high quality or high strength chain puts a lot of load on the teeth. Eventually the teeth wear out. Now, when the teeth wear out, the chain can jump a tooth and you end up with massive problems with piston to valve clearance and pistons hitting valves and all that sort of stuff. So we tried to rectify that problem by hardening these sprockets. We tried cryogenically treating them. We did all sorts of things and it didn't work out. So what we decided to do was just make our own sprocket. So out of a piece of Billet 4140 chrome moly, we make our own sprocket. It's got a true tooth form on the end here, and all the keyways and the teeth marks all coordinated exactly the same as the factory sprocket. So it's a complete standard replacement for the factory sprocket that wears out, but it's made out of far better material. The part number's 306562, and we've got them in stock. We put them in all of our big engines, and pretty well any engine that we rebuild gets one of these sprockets, because the factory problem is fairly endemic with these engines. Even Ford tried to rectify the problem themselves by induction hardening their factory sprocket, but it didn't seem to work too successfully. We've got these in stock, and this will fix up all the problems of timing chain and sprocket wear.